What's going on, everyone? This is Matt Squeaky Clean Air, and today we're going to be bagging a B8.5 Audi, and excited. Continue on with 2023, just more projects. This is pretty cool, so stay tuned. Okay, so we removed the rears. We're going to start with the rears. Very simple. Loosen up the end links on both sides. I've done one before. If I haven't, we're going to go quickly through it. Loosen up the lower control arm bolt over here. Loosen up the shocks from the top. Loosen up the shocks from the bottom as well. And then you can slide out the spring. We're lucky because this one is... it's got a coilover setup, KW coilovers, so the springs are a lot shorter. It would be a lot harder if you had an OEM one. You'd have to basically relieve the spring pressure here. Not an issue. This is pretty much flows pretty well. Be careful because you have the light link over here. So don't drop this lower control arm too much so you destroy this. So you want to kind of keep it at this angle. Plenty of space for us to put in a direct fit bag because this puppy is getting bagged. And we're going to transfer over the upper mounts onto the performance shocks. And we're going to adjust them as close to the factory height as possible, obviously within reason, to make sure that your stroke or how the shock is going to perform is on par with the heights and the bag. So that takes some experience. You will have to kind of do trial and error. We kind of know how these cars work, so I'm just going to get them adjusted and transfer over the upper mounts, put in the direct fit bags, and that's pretty much it for the rear. Tomorrow I'm probably going to start working on the fronts. I'm just going to do the rears tonight, and we're going to run the line. So just to recap, I've done one of these before, so it shouldn't be any new thing, but it's always good to sort of go over it again and do a vlog and record it, just because that way maybe we'll improve on some things that we've missed. But pretty simple so far. You basically, with all these separated setups in the back, first what you want to do is you want to relieve the sway bar. That tends to be the common sort of pattern when it comes to removing the suspensions from these cars. Loosen up the sway bar on both ends. Then most of the time loosen up the either inner part of the lower control arm or the outer part of the lower control arm to relieve some pressure. That will allow you to sort of obviously always support the lower control arm, especially if you have under pressure spring so it doesn't fall. So you have to have a stand underneath to support it. Loosen up the shock and then slowly gently lower the control arm once you remove the bolts in order to be able to remove this spring. So first we remove the shock's already removed. Then we remove the spring and we're ready to put in the air suspension. Stay tuned. Okay, so the fronts are in. I'm not going to show you guys the process of the fronts. You can revert back to our B8 installation video. What I want to get into is the trunk setup of this car. Those are always interesting. This one's going to be different, but the strut's already in. You got to modify the tops as demonstrated on the previous video in order to make sure that the pillow balls fit correctly. Just as a recap, I don't crack these. I always remove the inner control arms there, just because these have a tendency to crack. And I think this one is cracked. No, it doesn't seem to be cracked. It seems to be okay. Let me see. Fracture. It doesn't seem to be going through. I will let the owner know. Probably because the problem with these cars is he was running KW coilovers, ST suspension. I think they're by KW, and he had them pretty low in the front. So what happens is with these cars, these have a tendency to hit over here. There's an opening for them to go through, but they still hit, unless whoever installed the coilovers did not remove them from the inside and removed here. It seems to be pretty solid, so it's not really a break, but a little fracture. So I will let him know in regards to that, for sure. But the fronts are in, and we're gonna now run the lines and keep going.